feel I feel like I can I feel like I can never I can never do things right. I can never figure things out. I can never make things work. I can never be good enough. I can never be fully and completely and permanently accepted. People are always gonna decide that I'm not good enough, or I'm just not, or I'm not enough in some kind of way. I can, I don't know what happened to me. I don't know what happened to me. I don't know what happened to me. Maybe I need to let go of all feelings of guilt, all feelings of shame, all feelings of maybe I need to let go of all guilt and all shame, and maybe I need to live life completely for myself for the first time ever in my life, except for when I was a very, very little child, but maybe when I was a very little child, but not really. Really, it's been my whole entire life. I have been living for everyone else and living according to other people's opinions and suggestions and ideas and other people's expectations and other people's opinions and other people's suggestions. I've been living according to what everyone else wants and what everyone else thinks is good and thinks is right and thinks is a good idea. I've been living according to everyone else's beliefs, opinions, theories, and I need to live according to my own and only that, and care not at all about anything else anything that anyone else has to say. And I need to completely live that way, perhaps.